Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into a Merrick Bank credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your Merrick Bank credit card online, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.merrickbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Merrick Bank, which looks like this. On the right hand side of the screen, make sure to select the credit card option from the drop down. Now head over to the next field where it says username or email and type in your email or your username associated with your Merrick internet banking. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your username or your password, select Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. After typing in your credential correct, you can click on the login button and get access to your credit card online. That's how you can easily access your credit card from Merrick Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.